Sean! And now today we're gonna play Blox Fruit. That's my favorite game. Let's go. So guys, guys, it's the prank. So guys, do you know Blox Fruit is the first game? So guys, here's my baby guys.
Hindi naman niya matatype yung dahil di na nga nagsasaltik.
Okay, that's ignore that sound. Ignore that sound. So guys, we're going and we're at Coliseum. And we're Aldi. Hey, stop! Sorry guys, it's my brother.
What do you mean?
I'll do part 2. Wait lang. Papa, kayo bigla yun? Ma, nag-vlog ako. Ng recorder.
Ay, narinig ka, mama.
So, guys. Ano na? Ay, guys. Yes, man.
Better mo daw na ulitin yun.
So, guys, we're at the Coliseum. Please stop. We're gonna visit some guys here. What?
Yeah. Use the domain expansion on him. Yeah, that's right. The domain expansion.
I'm gonna visit one. I fear.
Domain expansion. I search. Dash.
What?
Oh. Taas. Told you. Ice Spear. Iceberg. Vegito. Ay, hindi. Ice Circle. Dash.
Menu. Naka-click ko. So guys, I already complete the ice cream.
Not actually. Ice Spear.
Domain expansion.
Iceberg. Ice Surge.
Ice Spear. Saber.
Oh yeah, the Deadly Rush. The one.
Who's unlock this?
Ikaw, pero tignan mo to.
Ano?
Tignan mo to.
Sorry guys. Punta ka dito at saka sa... Alam ko na.
Full yan, full.
Alam ko.
Baron Crush.
Yo! Give me it.
What do you mean, give me it? Wala naman sa akin yung cellphone.
Bro, she teleport.
You know what?
Domain expansion.
North Pole of Death. Ha 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 ha. Violent Rush skin. Tapos yung sa... Patay mo siya. Wait! Stop! Patay mo siya using the ano.
Sorry guys. Nag-vlog ako. Sorry guys. If I finish this, I'm gonna give this to my baby. Iceberg. More like iceberg. Oh, I got it. Domain expansion. There's garden. Bro. ABC for a kid. Papa.
Smart tubag. Para makanood ka na ng tulog.
Pwede din ako
Blah.
Bakit mo sinasabi blah 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 kung nagsasalita ka? Kuya naman! Sorry guys,
Nagkatigawan kayo dyan.
si Kuya. is my brother. Ayan, sa ganyan.
Huwag mo yung pa-edit. Diba?
No, I missed.
Yun.
Domain inspection. Sorry guys.
I said the wrong.
Easy for luck.
Domain number. Domain.
Okay guys, one more.
Ano yun? Domain expansion.
Yeah.
Domain expansion ba?
No. Domain inspection. I fear.
To be
Thank you guys for watching.
to be honest, I'm the one who's vlogging.
So, goodbye.
Bye.
So guys, goodbye.